man said to a lady. Okay. I'll read a bit. A man said to a lady. So here is a man, here is some lady. Assume. So ಇವರಿಗೆ communicate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನಂತ? A man is saying to the lady. What? Read the statement. The son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. I'll repeat. The son of your brother. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ brother ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನ son. I'll see this. She is the lady. She is having some brother. Okay. And that brother has a son. And this brother has a son. So the son of your only brother. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಏನಂತ? The son of your only brother. Okay na? The son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. So ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? This person is the brother of his wife. So ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ brotherly relation ಇದೆ. Repeat it. I'll repeat it. This person is saying to this lady, ಏನಂತ? Your brother's son is my wife's brother. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. In a simple language ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. Your brother's son, ನಿನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನ ಮಗ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೂ ಅಣ್ಣನ ತಮ್ಮನ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. That's all. So what is the relation? Now a question ಏನು? What is the relation between lady and man? ಈ lady and man ಏನ್ relation? Very simple. Mother chance ಇಲ್ಲ. It cannot be a mother, right? And sister, that is also impossible. Grandfather is again impossible because lady cannot be a grandfather. Uldirado sister of father-in-law. Observe this. Sister of father-in-law. Father-in-law ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮಾವ. So your wife. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಫಾದರ್. Okay? Because wife, so these two are siblings and ಈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಬಂದು ಇವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So for this man he will become father-in-law. Okay? And this lady will become sister of father-in-law. For this man she is sister of father-in-law. If you are not clear, you tell me, I'll try to tell it in different way. Okay. You understood? It's fine. Once again repeat it. Yeah, expected this. Okay, leave this. I'll just write with ABCD. Okay. A is a person. There is another lady called B. Yeah. Here is a man. Okay. And here is a lady. Assume it. So this man is speaking to this lady. ಇದು ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? You are the son of your only brother. Means this lady is having some brother and that brother has a son. Okay na? This brother has a son. The son of your brother, one part. ಅವನು ಯಾರು? He is the brother of my wife. The man ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Observe, here man is speaking. So for his wife, okay, this person will be brother. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? This lady, what is the relation between this lady and man? ಈ ಲೇಡಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The wife and son, I mean this person. If you are confused, I'll remove this, no problem. this person, this wife and this lady, they both are brothers and sisters. Okay, na? Brother and sisters means assume they have their own brothers and sisters. Andre, this person will become the father. Okay, father. So, for this man, ಇವ್ರೇನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. For this man, ಇವ್ರೇನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ wife's father means father-in-law, ಮಾವ, father-in-law. This lady is, see, ಈಗ ಇವರು ಈ ಲೇಡಿಗೆ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೇಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವಳು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ thing. Okay, coming to question number 61. Okay, a man walks 1 kilometer. Yeah, directions can easily write up the diagrams. That's not very easy. Simple diagram ಏನಂದ್ರೆ just write a plus mark, north, south, east and west. ಯಾವುದೇ direction question ಬಂದ್ರು assume this diagram and we shall plot the things according to that. So what here is done? A man walks 1 kilometer to the east. And this is a central point. He walks 1 kilometer to the east. Okay. And then he turns south and walks 5 kilometers. This is so long. Okay. A man walks 1 kilometer to the east. Then he turns south and walks 5 kilometers. So east ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, now he turns south and walks 5 kilometers. Okay, south 5 kilometers. Again he turns ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ next. Again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. So from here he moved again to east, ಮತ್ತೆ eastern direction ಗೆ ಬಂದ and walks 2 kilometers east. After this he turns north and walks 9 kilometers. Observe this. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, he turns north and walks 9 kilometers. So this is where we have to be careful. 9 kilometers towards north. Okay, na? That means, see, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, to walk 9 kilometers, he also walked 5 kilometers parallel to this road, say at this point, and from there on he continued 4 kilometers. Andre illi 4 kilometers, illi 5, all together it comes to 9 kilometers. Why this means? It will be easy for us to understand. Then, now how far he is from the starting point? So which is the starting point? This is the starting point. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಹೌ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 7 kilometers is the answer. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 7 ಹೇಗೆ? See, from here to here. Okay. How far he is from the starting? Okay. Chat box. Can you please repeat it again? Okay, I'll repeat the whole question. See, this is first two directions. Assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, north, south, east, west. Okay, na? This is the central point. ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬ walking start ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. What they have asked? He walked 1 kilometer to the east, turned south ಅಂದ್ರೆ down, and walked 5 kilometers. Then he turned towards east, walked for 2 kilometers. Then finally he turned towards north and walked 9 kilometers ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So east ಇಂದ north ಗೆ 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers total travel, but we also have 5 kilometers here. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? That is one thing. Wait a minute, I'm getting many things in the chat box. 7. Yeah, wait. So walk 9 kilometers towards north. That means it also covered 5 kilometers. Say ಅದನ್ನ just ಒಂದು reference ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು 9 kilometers travel ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, from the starting point how far he is from the starting point. Okay. So from here to here, how much? Answer is 7 kilometers. Okay, answer is 7 kilometers. So if you observe the thing, you can easily understand. From, sorry, no. Wait. Okay, see, 7 kilometers from the starting point. From the starting point, they are asking. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 kilometer, 1. Again, this is parallel. So 1 plus 2. See, observe the thing. If we take up, this is 2 kilometers, right? So we had a complete square. So altogether from this point to this point, we have 3 kilometers. And from here to here, it is 4 kilometers. I know the graph is a little bit wrong, but it's okay. This is 3 and this is 4. So they are how far he is from this point. From starting point to north. If you observe, this is a right angle triangle. So I hope you all know the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says if you take this as O, what the Pythagoras theorem says, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Means the square of ON is equal to, I'll take this as x, okay? O to x means 3 kilometers, 3 square plus x to n is 4 square. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Altogether we get 25. So ON square will be 25. So ON will be square root of 25, which is equal to 5 kilometer. Okay. So the answer is 5 kilometers and we can solve it by using Pythagoras